And just to say this again, the idea of truth commissions, all truth commissions, they have to be independent. Otherwise, it's not a truth commission. For example, just to give you a background of what a truth commission is, the first person to form a truth commission was the Ugandan leader, Idi Amini. That was in 1973. From 1973 up to now, the world has had over 60 truth commissions. And out of those 60 truth commissions, only 30 of them have been very effective, because most of the truth commissions, the government tends to intervene, like the Zimbabwean National what at the moment. It's not really a truth commission in the sense of a truth commission. Thank you very much.